I haven't done a makeup in a while, but I'm gonna turn into Bowser today because I just got new hair. Got pre-made little horns made out of model magic clay that I'll be gluing to my forehead. The fangs are by Chaos Custom Fangs. I got this at like Hot Topic, who knows when. Got all of our colors. I'm gonna be gluing my eyebrows and also attaching varieties of fuzz to have those intense brows that Bowser has. I got all of the lines drawn out for reference because I don't have a laptop today, so I can only use my phone. Lucky for me, I just did a Bowser hand paint, so I have a bunch of leftover Bowser color. So I'm covering all of that area. That's that iconic yellow with that. This is a lighter yellow. This is going to be a light green, green, and all the different layers of green. Got the base layer of green on. Gonna use it to shape the face. So I got this weird chin that he has. And I just glued down my eyebrows because I'm going to be attaching fluff that matches my hair to make dramatic Bowser eyebrows. Making really fast progress because I still have all of the mixed paint saved from when I did the Bowser hand. Got all of my green scales done. Just added some shadows and highlights to this. I'll blend out, and I'm going to create yellow scales all over all of this because this is a slightly yellow-orange. The yellow scales will show up brighter, and then I'll intermediately like add some brown ones and some orange ones. Just put in the contacts. This is looking so Bowsery. I got the bracers done. They're really simplified. I don't want this one to be like too detailed because it is a cartoon and it's sort of a simplification, but I want it to look really cool from far away. Alright, so I'm moving on to probably the eyebrows so I know where not to paint green, or I'm just going to leave a space where I can glue the hair. Yes. So beautiful. My gorgeous eyebrows. I am a rare and beautiful type of butterfly. I'm gonna use some eyeshadow colors to add some depth, but mainly around this thing. Yes, yes! I'm gonna glue the horns on and then trim the eyebrows and then fix up the green paint around the eyebrows and the horns, put my teeth in, and then we're gonna be done.
Each understand